Bonjour class, this is the Unit 1 Grammar Notes, and in this presentation I will cover the notes on the IR verbs in the present tense and the partitive article. Okay, IR verbs are the second most common type of French verb after ER verbs. To conjugate an IR verb in the present tense, first you take off the IR ending, and step 2 you add the following endings. For je and tu, you're going to add is. For il allons, you add it. For nous, issons. For vous, issez. And for il and elle, it's issent. Okay, so here's an example with the verb finir, F-I-N-I-R, which means to finish. First you take off the IR and you have F-I-N as your stem, and then you add the endings depending on the subject. So I finish is je finis. You informal finish, tu finis. Notice that the S is not pronounced. He finishes, il finit. She finishes, elle finit. And one finishes, on finit. Also notice that the T is not pronounced. We finish, nous finissons. You formal finish, vous finissez. They masculine finish, ils finissent. And they feminine finish, elles finissent. Notice for they that the ENT ending is not pronounced. Here are some more common IR verbs. Choisir, to choose. Réussir, to succeed. And these ones that end in double S's, so it sounds sort of funny, like when you say we succeed, nous réussissons. There's a whole bunch of S sounds, but you know that it is correct that way. Grossir is to gain weight. Grandir is to grow up. Mentir is to lie, as in to tell lies. And maigrir is to lose weight. Okay, the next part of grammar that we're going to cover in this unit is the partitive article. And the reason we cover the partitive article in this unit is because whenever you talk about food, you use the partitive article very frequently. Okay? And it's used to express part of a whole, or some. Okay? Look at the examples below to see the differences in meaning of the following types of articles. So you've already seen definite articles, indefinite articles, and now we're learning partitive articles. So here's an example with a definite article. Je veux la pizza. Okay, la pizza means the pizza. Okay, you want the specific pizza. Indefinite article. Je veux une pizza. I want a pizza, like a whole entire pizza. And then you have the partitive article. Je veux de la pizza. And that's I want some pizza. Okay, so it could be like a slice of pizza, it could be a couple slices. And here are the different forms. If you have something that's masculine singular, the word for some is du. Here's an example. Je veux du café. I want some coffee. Okay, if you want some of something that is feminine singular, you will use de la to mean some. Je voudrais de la glace. I would like some ice cream. If it starts with a vowel and it's singular, you have de and then an apostrophe. So I want some of the omelette. Je veux de l'omelette. Okay, plural. This means if you want some of like a whole thing, like in this example, some pizza, or some grapes, or some apples. It's des, D-E-S. Je voudrais des pizza. And if you're talking about the negative, you don't want any of something, okay, then it's either de or de apostrophe. So I don't want any chicken. Je ne veux pas de poule. Okay, so just think if you're saying you don't want something or you don't have any of something, then instead of worrying about what form you're going to use, it's just going to be de or d apostrophe if it comes before a vowel. Okay, so if you found this really confusing or if you're having any trouble with the material, you can email me or give me a call at the number listed below. Bonne chance!